If your phone doesn't have Play Store and you want to install an app that's just available in the Play Store, I'm gonna show you how to install any app from Play Store without having Play Store. In this example, I use Huawei phone, but the same method can be used for any other brands that doesn't have Play Store. Open Google Chrome or any other browser you got, and then go to Google and type Aurora Store GitHub, and then search. Important, from the search result, make sure you select the website from GitHub, as there are many fake versions. So tap on it to go to the GitHub website. Here is a bit confusing, but don't worry, just follow my steps. Scroll a bit down and then select the 3 lines and then tap on Downloads. This would take you to the Downloads section, and then tap on GitLab Releases. Scroll down until you get to the APK links. Tap on Aurora Store latest APK file, and then you will get a warning message. But because it's from a trusted developer and provided in GitLab, tap on Download Anyway. Once the download is finished, tap on the 3 dots and then select Downloads. Here you could see the downloaded file. Tap on it to open it. And once again, it will give you a warning about the risks. Tap on Allow, and then tap on Install. This would then install Aurora Store app. Tap on Open. Tap on Next. Here are some of the permissions that you will need to grant to be able to use this app, and then tap on Finish. You don't have to log in, and instead you could select Anonymous. Here it is. Aurora Store is installed. Now you can search any app that you want to download. For example, all trails. From the results, select the app and then tap on Install. You also would need to allow app installs by turning on this toggle, and then tap on Back to directly install from Aurora Store to your phone. And then it would open this page saying installation source is Aurora Store. Tap on Install. And finally, you should get the message saying installation successful. Tap on Open, and here it is. We have managed to install an app using Aurora Store. You will get an icon on your home screen of the app where you could tap to open the app just like any other app. And if you want to install any other app, open the Aurora app again and then search for any other app. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And if you have got any questions, please let me know in the comments below.